In a world where salt ruled the land, plants whispered secrets of survival. "We must adapt," said one to another. They grew thicker leaves to store precious water, while others developed roots that danced deep into the earth, seeking fresh life. "We are stronger together," they murmured, forming alliances with fungi to share nutrients. Some plants even learned to excrete salt, turning adversity into beauty. "Every challenge is a chance to grow," they sang, swaying in the salty breeze. Their resilience inspired all who watched. Like, comment and subscribe for more stories like this.